Need to fit a large spreadsheet on one page? Here's how to do it. First, click File, then Print. On the right panel, find Scale. Choose Fit to Page. Now your entire sheet fits on one page. If the text looks too small, try Fit to Width instead. For better layout, switch the orientation to landscape. You can also reduce margins and hide grid lines for a cleaner result. Always check the preview before printing. When it looks good, print it or export it as a PDF. Subscribe to Only Tips for more fast tech solutions. No fluff. One problem. One fix. Fast.